Hey everybody, welcome back to another installment of Universe Jarvis. I love the days when I do more than one video. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, so if you watch the video that is getting uploaded before this one, I told you guys about this. So, it's kind of heavy. I'm going to see if I can lift it up here. And I'm probably going to struggle getting it out the box, but... Ninja! So... Ninja, I think this is becoming a Ninja household. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that because we have a good bit of Ninja appliances at this point. They've come out with some new things. I was really excited some weeks ago when the Ninja Slushie was back in stock and I was actually able to get my hands on one, because when I tell you that thing sold out, because I think they released it like last summer. It was gone like that. You could not find that damn Slushie thing anywhere, and typically where you found it, it was kind of like more probably than it should have been. So I've used it now twice. I think I've done, ended up doing like I took some Stella, I think cranberry, did kind of like a wine slush, and also made some grape Kool-Aid and did a grape Kool-Aid slush as well. So I'm going to actually tonight, hopefully, once I get in the kitchen, I'm cooking and stuff, I'm going to be able to kind of make something else in it, because I bought some Lambrusco. I was thinking about making a wine with it, but there's time to play with it, especially it's going to be hot, so why not, you know? So, this is what was released last week. It came out, I want to say it dropped last Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, because I was out of town. I got the email reminder. So this is the Ninja Creamy Swirl. So the normal creamy didn't really appeal to me, because I'm like, oh, okay, I'm making some ice cream, like what is this? That, and I don't, as much as I love ice cream, I don't eat it a lot now anymore because of the dairy. But this kind of opens up some possibilities for me to try like kind of other things. And I tend to like oat milk, so I'm wondering, I may actually try to make this batch once my initial batch, because I have a freaking ton of oat milk. So I actually might try making it with oat milk. I know almond milk, I know those milks kind of don't really do the same thing. They're a little bit different, I guess, in how the consistency. But I'm just going to play with it and see what happens. One thing I didn't really do a whole lot of research, I guess, prior to getting this. I kind of just saw it was coming out. I didn't really read up on how the process of making it. So after I got it, because it was delivered yesterday, I kind of started looking to see what do you do to make ice cream. So for me, what it looks like is you kind of get your ingredients. I'm going to make just a basic kind of vanilla one. I'm not doing anything crazy to start off with, because I think the base, it has heavy cream in there. There's vanilla pudding. I'm trying to think what else. Granulated sugar goes in it. And that's honestly about it. And whole milk, I forgot to say whole milk. Although I might try oat. But you just kind of whisk all that together and make sure everything dissolves, the granulated sugar dissolves. And then you end up putting that pint container, which you guys will see once I open this up, into the freezer for 24 hours. Then you can pop it onto the machine and then make your soft serve. So essentially what I mean, because I guess this doesn't like actually freeze it seems like. So I guess it basically, you freeze it and then it just pushes it out into that like little swirl pattern. But we'll see what happens. Now, I think this came FedEx. It's kind of got dented up there, so I'm hoping everything's okay. And if this is anything, actually no, it's different. So with the slushie, you opened it up a little bit differently. At least the internal boxes might be the same. So let's get in here, let's see what happens. Might have to cut this box all open, because I remember I fought with getting that slushie out of the box. So let's see what happens with this one. Oh, and they dented it too. This thing better not be damaged. I will be pissed. Because even the box itself is dented. Yeah, like, look at that. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, the device, the item, or the appliance, saying item itself better not be damaged. Or I will be calling Shark/Ninja. Alright, let's see here. Alright, how am I going to get this out of here? It says 13-in-1 soft serve and ice cream machine. You know what? I'm making this more difficult than it has to be. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but we're going to turn her upside down and let her slide out of the box. There we go. Alright. I I don't necessarily think I'm going to open this one all the way up like I did with the PlayStation, because this is kind of a big boy. We'll just kind of go over stuff on the box itself, and I'm going to end up doing a video. Well, I guess I will at least slice the top open because I want to make sure nothing's damaged on top. So let's see, there's a lot of fun stuff on this box. So you can scoop or swirl, makes 4 small cones per pint. Let's see, customize your flavors, control your ingredients, frozen yogurt, light ice cream, whatever that means. I guess this is that protein ice cream that they're marketing. Sorbet, fruit whip, gelato, and oh my god, frozen custard. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, please. So it says freeze, spin, load, and then you swirl. So we got 4 steps there, right? So this is what I was talking about. So here you've got like the pint there, and then it has a little touch where you kind of lock that into place, and then it just pushes it out. I'm actually kind of excited about this. So let's see. Let's go to our other side here. It comes with 2 16-ounce swirl pints with storage lids and nozzles for prep, process, and dispensing the perfect cone and for storing. It's got an outer bowl and lid to first process your swirl pints. It's got a drip tray for less mess and easy cleaning. It's got the soft serve handle. Swirl dispensing has 3 speeds to create the perfect cone every time. It's got 13 one-touch programs. So it's got 6 soft serve programs: ice cream, light ice cream, fruit whip, frozen yogurt, frozen custard, and creamy fit. Then you've got another 6 classic scoopable ones: ice cream, light ice cream, gelato, sorbet, frozen yogurt, milkshake. Depending on how much I end up using this, which I'm going to have to use it because this thing was $350. So we're going to need to use it. I think I'll probably have more fun with that than scooping, but like I said, we'll see. It'll be kind of cool to actually make my own ice cream. And then it has a mix-in program, I guess. So if you want to do, what do they call those, like concretes, or I think McDonald's calls them McFlurries, and Dairy Queen has them where you mix all the stuff in. So, all right, the only thing that I'm going to do here is I want to just slice open this top just to make sure I don't see any damage. I hope it has some kind of like cushion or something on top, like another piece of cardboard, but we're gonna see, because I saw the boxes, didn't it? But I didn't really expect the inside box to be messed up. Okay, it should be fine. That makes me happy. I was gonna lose it. So here's the drip trays on top, and then we got a little book and all those fun things. You know what? I think my came with a book. Where's that at though? I think it's on the stove. But yeah, so it's fine. And I'll show you guys. You can see. Oh, they've got that little egg. I call it egg crate packaging on there, so it should be good to go. All right. So what we'll do with this is, once I kind of have it set up in the kitchen, hopefully, I can show you guys. Maybe even do a demo. That actually might be what happens. Maybe I'll do a demo, because actually tonight I'm gonna make the base for just a basic vanilla, and then maybe tomorrow I can set up and show you guys my swirl action. All right, this is fun. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I need to register. Where's my phone at? Oh, it's somewhere. That's not here. Well, I do need to register my other one. Yeah, because we have a, what's it called? A Ninja wood fire grill, and we thought it was messed up. Yet it's not, but register in case something happens to your appliances. And I've called Ninja at this point, I think twice, and they've been pretty cool, because with the the slushy, it didn't arrive when it was supposed to, and the shipping kept changing, so I was kind of worried that somebody had stolen it in the mail. And, they were super cool. And she was like, well, give it another day, call in, we can either cancel or refund you. So that made me feel good. Like, they have really good customer service. When I called about the wood fire grill, I got someone that, we actually ended up talking about other stuff other than just the grill while we kind of went through the troubleshooting process. So I've been really impressed with Ninja. And Ninja and Shark are the same company, so, I totally got on the phone. We probably got a customer for life. At some point, I'm probably going to replace everything in this household with Ninja appliances. I want their pots. I want their knives. We have the Ninja Speedy. We've got, I don't know, can't think of what it's called right now, but it's like a Ninja crock pot multi-cooker type thing. I already had like a blender, so Ninja, hiya, right? If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And as always, I appreciate the support. I thank you guys for watching my videos. I finally reached over 700 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000. because I've been at this for a while, but I know it's also on me. I need to get more content for you guys to watch. So we're going to work on that because there's so many things. I'm always all over the place. That's why it's called Universe Jarvis. So until more videos come out and I get some more stuff uploaded for you guys, as always, and I'll say it again, I already said it before, thanks for the support. You guys are awesome. Universe Jarvis out.